things I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the Day. It's Thursday. Happy Tea Day, you guys. It's December 18th. Well, tomorrow's quadruple witching, but the market feels witchy already. We've got really heavy dark pool levels coming in on the SPY. 2 days in a row, by the way. This is Moby Tick Trading, by the way. Yeah, the best trading software out there on the planet. We have 12 million late prints that came in on December 16th, which was really executed on the 15th. And then we had almost 8 million yesterday that showed up yesterday, but they were really executed on the 16th. But the big thing that I really want to show you is look at the price. 679.11, 679.10, same area. This is a very big level. All right, so in the swing picture, we're going to use it. I even used it today for the Whisper of the Day. I went higher. If you want to scalp, go for it. I kind of gave you a scalping trade on the QQQs, all right, which I'll go over in a second. But I don't know. We're having an inside day right now. I know in about 12 minutes we have CPI, jobless numbers coming out. So things could change. But right now, we're inside this big candle yesterday. And we have the most stop outs when we have an inside day. So if we go up here, great, bullish above. If we go below here, you know, that from the big picture, bearish below. I went bear below 672. I watched that level very carefully yesterday, so I chose that today for our bear below. And there's a big drop in the pivots below that. That's why I picked this area. We're looking for those pockets. Okay, so I just do like to go over the SPY trade because most of us do trade the SPY or SPY instruments. Okay, let's go to the IWM. IWM also inside day. There's a big pocket below right here. We're still under the 4 and the 8. Again, inside day. Bullish above 251. I went above the 8 EMA for, you know, a trend trade there. Bear below 247.50 for that pocket trade. Let's go to the QQQs. Bullish above 606.50. This is more of the scalping trade. Bear below 602.50. Let's go to the futures, the E-minis. We had a big whale trade. Thank you, Mike, for posting that up, by the way. Yeah, 1,250 contracts traded yesterday at 67.85. So bullish above 68.25, but look what I used for my level. Bear below 67.85. I went below the whale trade. It does splash a bit. So we'll see. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Really at 8:30, but let's see again tomorrow's quadruple witching. I feel like Monday will be a better barometer for the bigger picture. Okay, but let's day trade. Nasdaq futures bullish above 25,200, bear below 24,875. Oil, very interesting oil. Well, we hammered 2 days ago. We couldn't quite make it up to that 8 EMA. We got stuck on that 4 EMA. That's been pretty big resistance this morning on the daily chart. So bullish above 56.60. I'm going for the trade if you're an oil trader in between here. We'll see in between the pivots. Not the best setup today. Okay, bear below 55.50. Let's go to gold futures. We're still toggling underneath that 4,400 level. Now, I don't know if we're going to hit that by Christmas, but bullish above 43.70 today, bear below 43.40. Let's head on over to Bitcoin. What's going on with the Bitcoin? Well, this is our fourth test of that VWAP, that yellow line volume weighted average price on the daily chart. It's been super powerful. Couldn't break above the creek, but we couldn't break below the VWAP. It is an algo battle going on right now. On the day trade, bullish above 88,250, bear below 86,500. Let's go to some individual stocks. I'll be honest, I didn't like this. There were so many inside day stocks, and we know we have a higher probability when it's outside yesterday's price action. But MU clearly outside yesterday's price action. Bullish above 253.50. And it started moving pretty quickly after I mapped this out. I did post it in the rooms. However, we need a new level, right? So 257.50 is our new level. Bullish above that. I like the $2.50 increments. We'll see if we can. Well, did we tag? Oh, we did. Almost tagged R3. All right, we'll see where this goes. Bear below 249.50. However, we might be able to move that. The most of the volume happened 252.74. Do I want to move it? Maybe not. Yeah, maybe not. Hold on. Let me just look something up. Yeah, if I map it out, I'm mapping it out where it is. If we move up big time, then we can maybe get in. Yeah, you could probably get in below 252 and take the trade down to 250 first. And then the second trade would be that 249.50. All right, so there could be a trade before that now that we've moved up. Yeah, it really is, where's the most volume trading? I don't know if you guys have that on your chart, but a lot of times they go down to it and bounce. So I do like to go bear below it. If we do go below it, that means, we're catching a lot of traders off balance and it turns bearish. All right, let's go to PayPal. All right, PayPal could not break above the creek. Yep, could not break above this area. And we're testing, kind of reminds me of Bitcoin and the US dollar, very similar. Bullish above 62, bear below 58.50. All right, we'll see if this is going to be a dreaded H scenario or not. Let's go to Tilray. All right, Tilray bullish above 13.75, bear below 12.50. We'll see where that wants to go today. AMD got a little bit of a lift from Micron this morning. Usually the semiconductors are competitives, but it looks like it lifted a little bit. We do have some headwinds up above. Bullish above 206. Bear below 199 for AMD. Next, we got Rocket Lab. Bullish above 55.25. Bear below 54. It looks like it's pulled back. Could it be ready for maybe wave 3? We'll see on the up move or not. And then we got Lulu. Yeah, Lulu is expanding into Europe. I don't know what took them so long. Yeah, but all right. Yeah. We're going to be bullish above 225, bear below 220 for the retrace. We'll see if it's going to be a gap and go higher or a pop and drop. That's it, you guys. Those are the whispers for Thursday, December 18th. Until next time, come and join us. Check out our interactive trading rooms. Go to thedarkpools.com. Happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.